Myself, Sanika Devendra Rakhe, and my topic is elevation of boiling point and Cottrell's method for determination of elevation of boiling point. Contains first elevation of boiling point, second example of boiling point, third Cottrell's method for determination of elevation of boiling point, fourth advantages of Cottrell's method. Elevation of boiling point. Boiling point elevation describes the phenomenon that the boiling point of the liquid will be higher when another compound is added, meaning that a solution has a higher boiling point than a pure solvent. Or we can also say that the temperature at which vapor pressure of the liquid is equal to the atmospheric pressure is called as boiling point. Examples of boiling point. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius at 1 atmosphere because at 100 degrees Celsius the vapor pressure of boiling water is equal to 1 atmosphere. We can also see the boiling point elevation in real life. First, spreading salt on an icy road melts the ice. A solute generally rises the boiling point of a solvent, which is called boiling point elevation. Second, adding antifreeze to the water in a car radiator prevents the water from boiling. Cottrell's method for determination of elevation of boiling point. An accurate method for determining the elevation in boiling point of the liquid is that of F.G. Cottrell's. The apparatus is shown in figure. It is Cottrell's apparatus. Solvent is placed in the boiling tube with a porcelain piece lying in it. The tube is heated with a small burner. When the solvent starts boiling, the vapor and the liquid continuously spread around the thermometer bulb. Soon the temperature becomes constant and the boiling temperature T0 of the solvent is recorded. Now a weighted amount of solute is added to the solvent and the boiling point T of the solution is recorded. The difference in the boiling point of the solution and the solvent gives the elevation in the boiling point. The volume of the solution is converted into mass by multiplying with the density of the solvent at its boiling temperature. The molecular weight of the solute is calculated. The difference T minus T naught equals to del Tb gives elevation of boiling point of the solution. Advantages of Cottrell's method. Superheating is minimum and the boiling point can be noted accurately from the thermometer. Thank you.